Hello everyone, this is a quick video about my 1950s race cattle trailer. I restored this myself just after I did the Land Rover. Hasn't really featured in any of the videos before now, but here it is. Spent the day cleaning it up, repainting the wood and metal, touching it in. It was pretty rotten when I got it. The wooden floors rotted out, all the boards were rotted, the mud guards had gone, and the chassis was largely gone, as was the canvas roof. Sorry, excuse the noise, I'm having to make this video outside. I got the canvas remade at a sailmaker's in Belfast. Sourced the original hubcaps on eBay and found the original hitch system and redid the brakes. Got the new shoes lined, still in the original springs as they were quite good condition. Take a walk around it. Original stabilizer leg brackets. The stabilizer legs themselves are not original. Number plate off the Land Rover. And the people at Rice very kindly supplied a badge to me free of charge. Inside then, I haven't painted it, but it's in pretty good nick. Got a carpet there to protect the floor. It's double floored just for the extra weight. See the MG in the background there? Did a bit of polishing up today, got the hubcaps up nicely. Interestingly, this is actually stored outside, so this tire, as you can see, is very badly cracked, so that'll need replaced very soon. It's nearly undrivable. Every nut and bolt I put into this is stainless steel, except for the wheel nuts, as I couldn't source those in a new thread, in the unusual thread type that they are. They're all nicely dome nuts. I think it really finishes it off nicely. A bit of detail. It's quite difficult to paint this trailer as the wood and the metal are so close together, and it would be a nightmare to tape it off, but I think today's tidy up's done alright. This roll here flaps down, attaches onto these little eyelet hooks at the back to close it completely in. Sometime soon we'll get a video made of it with the Land Rover. Look really well, nicely together. Unfortunately, the Land Rover has run into some difficulties and I broke the differential in the snow, so I'll make a new video of that. Apologies for the delay in the video. It's been a month since I've posted one, but I hope you enjoyed this one. Please hit subscribe as it appears on screen now, and we'll get more videos to you soon. Thank you very much.